Oh my god, demon fans, the baby bird. I mean, not the baby bird. Getting too much with the baby bird thing. It's right there. I'm gonna open this. Hope that I don't scare her. You guys could see her. She's right there. You see my little finger is? Oh, let me get even closer. Not scare her or anything. She's right over there. Yeah, she's gone now. She long gone. Speaking of baby chicks and baby birds, I got me some. Ow! Don't peck me. This one likes to peck. Ow! Oh, I'm hungry. Duh. Oh, come out here. Be with your friends. Oh, no, not in there. Be with your friends. Guys, please leave a like, subscribe, and follow my channel. Peace out. That mom bird comes back, I show you guys.